This warm-up that we're doing now is on through Google Forms. So we use Google Classroom this whole semester, and as we've been doing warm-ups, we've been doing them on Google Forms. Google Forms has a few advantages. You can design your own question. You can insert images into the question, phrase it however you like. You can give different answer formats, multiple choice, short answer, paragraph form, etc. Even multiple choice, multiple answer format. And in addition to that, after you get all the results, after everybody's submitted their forms, it aggregates all the results for the whole class, and it'll give you pie charts, it'll give you response summaries, and so as a teacher you can see kind of bigger trends in the class, what the whole class is thinking versus what individuals are thinking. And it also has that accountability piece where it's not necessarily a paper document. It saves you a little bit of, or frees you up to do other things with your time rather than walking around checking on everyone's paper or stamping everyone's paper. You have an electronic record, and so it just makes it a little bit easier that way too.
You keep the jack still there just because you didn't pull the jack out yet, but you just remove one card from the deck, so you need to pull it over the card.
Oh. Number, right? Okay, so second question, we had 12 cards face down, and we were choosing a queen. So let's look at responses from that. We had what were the odds of picking a queen out of a group of 4 jacks, 4 queens, and 4 aces? So the odds were, we had a lot of responses here, 1 out of 12. Maybe thinking that we're looking for a queen and we want one of them, but there are 12 cards, so 1 out of 12. We had 1 out of 3. A lot of people said 1 out of 3. More people said 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3, 4 out of 12. Is that different? No, it's the same thing, right? Okay, so these are all basically 1/3, 4 out of 12 or 1/3, 4 out of 12 or 1/3. Okay. So it sounds like overwhelmingly we felt like it was 1/3 or 4 out of 12. Why is it 4 out of 12? Anybody could share why they put 4 out of 12? And then last one, we had a quick pie chart. How do we feel about it? So calculating probabilities accurately is, let's see, 36% said not too difficult. So 8 out of 22 responses. Easy for single events but difficult for compound events. That was 4 people, 18%. So more than half the class said it was either not too difficult or easy for single events but difficult for compound. Tough to understand at first, but starting to make sense. That's also a big chunk, 7 out of 22. And then finally, 3 more say it's going to take a lot more practice to get the hang of this. Okay, so we kind of can see where we're at right now.